Good morning, dear students. Last year you have learned how to find the median of an ungrouped data. To find the median of an ungrouped data, first we have to arrange the given data in a ascending order. Then, if the number of data is odd, then the middlemost number is the median of the given data. If the given data is even data, then after arranging the data in a ascending order, we are left with two middlemost numbers. We have to add these two numbers and dividing by 2. So we are getting the median of the given data. Now to find the median of a grouped data, we are using the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the number of observation or number of frequencies, CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. F is the frequency of median class. H is the class size or size of the class interval. So let us solve some example problems by using this formula. Here is one example problem to find the median of the given data. So class interval and frequency they are given. So first we have to draw the tabular column. In the first and second column we have to write as it is in the question, class interval and frequencies. Third column we have to find the cumulative frequencies. To find the cumulative frequency, first we have to write the same number 3 as it is we are writing first number. Next, for this number, we are adding the next frequency 3 plus 5. So, we are getting 8. For this 8, next we are adding 9. 8 plus 9, that is 17. For this 17, we are adding next frequency 5. We are getting 22. 22 plus 3, 25. So this at the last one cumulative frequency must equal to the sum of the frequencies. So n equal to 25 we are getting sum of the frequency, nothing but sigma fi. Sigma f. So that must equal to last value of the cumulative frequency. Once again I will write first one 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequencies are 3, 5, 9, 5, 3. To find this cumulative frequency, so first number we are writing as it is, that is 3 only. In the next one, for this 3 we are adding the next frequency 3 plus 5, total 8. For this 8 we are adding 9, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 3, 25. Now n is equal to 25. This n value must equal to this last value of cumulative frequency. So now n, we have to find n by 2, that is 25 divided by 2, you will get 12.5. Now this 12.5, where it lies in the cumulative frequency column? So till 3, it lies between 0 to 10. Next till 8, from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till there, it lies between 10 to 20. Next 9, 10, 11, 12 till 17, it lies between 20 to 30. 18, 19, 20, 21, so it lies between 30 to 40. Then 23, 24, 25 lies between 40 to 50. So now 12.5 after 8 till 17, it is in between 20 to 30. So this 12.5 lies between the class interval 20 to 30. 12.5 lies between class interval 20 to 30. So this is called as the median class. Median class. Now this here 20 is the lower limit, 30 is the upper limit. To find the median we need L value, that is 20. Now CF value, so here this is a median class. So cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So cumulative frequency value before the median class. So it is 8. So this is a CF value, cumulative frequency. So it is always one frequency, cumulative frequency before the median class. Next value of F, that is frequency of the median class only, frequency of the median class, that is 9. H is the size of the class interval, that is difference between upper limit and lower limit. 10 minus 0, 30 minus 20, that is 10. Now to find the median, we are writing the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L value 20 plus n by 2 is 12.5 minus CF is 8 divided by F value is 9 into 10. Keep this 20 as it is. 12.5 minus 8. So it is 4.5 divided by 9 into 10. 20 plus 4.5 into 10. 45 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 5s are 20 plus 5, that is equal to 25. Therefore median is equal to 25.